Hello, good day, and welcome back to my channel. And it's been a while that I posted new updates. I've been busy with some few things on my own. Okay, today we're going to be talking about Chat GPT. Yes, and the reason why I'm doing this video is to show you guys how to create articles or article suggestions using the Chat GPT. But first, we're going to go into a little research to know what is really Chat GPT. Okay, you can see here it's stated that it's a large language model chatbot developed by OpenAI based on GPT 3.5 and whatnot. It's AI that could generate content based on the input of the users. So I'm going to go directly into it and show you guys how I use it. So I'm going to go directly into it and show you guys how I use Chat GPT if I want to create articles. As you see here, these are the entries about what Chat GPT is and some few um, historical fact about it and how it was created and the people behind it. So let's go into it. Okay, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to their website, which is called openai.com. And from here, you can go to the try, and you're going to be asked to log in. And first here, you're going to have this uh, section, and down below, you have like an input box. So also have the option of going into the dark mode for those that like it dark, or I'm just going to do the light mode for clarity purpose. So let's dive into it. Take, for example, I want to write an article about stock market in Asia. So what I could do is I need ideas for this article I want to write. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write me an article of, let's say, 600 words about the top stock or top trending stocks in the Asian market. So I mistyped something here, so I'm just going to give it this. So I told the AI to write me an article of 600 words about the top trending stock in Asia market 2022. So I'll type on enter. Okay, and now it's starting to write about the articles, about the input I gave it. So we just have to wait. It's going to take some few minutes and it's going to pop up all the trending stock in Asia. So let's just wait. Okay, what we can see here is listing the top stock in Asia according to the sectors. The first one we can see Alibaba Group here, which I would believe those interested in something like this should see Alibaba as one of the top markets in Asia. And it's also bringing up some stock in the health sector, like Hikma Pharmaceuticals, and which other one can we see here? BYD, CLS, Tenant, Jinko Solar and Co. So with this article that has been generated, you can use this on your website or blog to generate traffic. And one best way to do this is you would also want to like not post directly what you just copied from the AI so that it wouldn't be flagged by the search by the various search engines. So one other thing you can do is to use these websites that can search for plagiarism and do a correction check for you. So one of my popular favorite one is Checker. Check, Checker, yes. This is actually free to use. They also have like higher version. All you do is just paste in what you copied and you tell Checker to please check for plagiarism, and it's going to check for that right away. Or if you don't want to post a similar article that you generated from the AI, you could also ask for it to rewrite this article, and you're going to have like more or less a brand new article uh, from this website. So we just wait and see what's going to give us after the checks have been made. I mean, this shouldn't take long. It depends on the number of words you have and how fast the website is. Okay, from the duplicate checker, we have a report that it's 100% unique. That means none of these articles are to be found somewhere else on the internet, which is a good one. We can also do use the paraphrasing tool to rewrite this article. I mean, if you really love using this uh, website for paraphrasing and checking for plagiarism, you could extend and get a premium version which accommodates the checking of more words in the article. So let's just rewrite this article and see it's going to give us. As usual, this is going to take some few minutes to be done. All we just have to do is wait for this percentage to be completed, and we are going to have the article. So for now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to like um, prepare how the article should be on my blog. So I have my Word document open for now. And on the side, we can also do a quick SEO on the popular keywords we can get. So I'm going to do Google keyword planner. So I can just enter here Asian stocks, change my language to English, and the country should be worldwide, and ask for get result. So we can see here that the average monthly search for this is about 1K to 10K, which is not bad. Let me do a reverse search and see some of the popular keywords there. We see Asian stock market, Hong Kong stock market in China, and some other ones which have very low competition, which can which we can use the keywords also in our articles. For example, this one here, Asia shares is having like a CPC of about €4 per click. We have another one here, Asian stock market for about €4.80. We could also like use the top range bid and see what's bidding highest. Okay, Asian pre-market is bidding higher and so forth, and so on and so forth. But that's not what we're interested in. What we're interested in here is just to see like some of the keywords we can take and use in this article, in our article. Okay, now this now we can see here that this has been phrased and more or less it's been we had a brand new article. We could just go to next. Okay, we could check for plagiarism again, just to be sure one more time. And as you can see, before the page went away and the scanning started, you can check up to 25,000 words if you have the professional premium version of this duplicate checker, which I would recommend to anyone that really want to do a lot of checking with automated generated articles using the AI. So just click below of in the description of this video, you're going to see a link to sign up and use the premium version of Duplicate Checker. So in about a few minutes, we are going to have a brand new article which could be used on our website. It's 100 unique, 100% unique and not found elsewhere on the internet. So all you just have to do right now is just copy this, go to your Word document, and I'll just add here trending stocks on the Asian market. So there you have it. Let me just increase the font size a bit of about 12. New Times Roman. Oh, sorry, Times New Roman and 12%. Size 12. There you have a brand new content which can be used on your blog. Probably I might post this if I refine it a little bit, or I'm doing right now some research on stocks that might be interested to users or readers on my blog. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write about all this company and why someone should invest in them in 2023. I hope you enjoy and like this video and have some insight about how ChatGPT works. And we shouldn't all be scared of AI taking away jobs or changing the environment of people working. We should embrace this technology and know how to use them. Probably it's going to be useful also in our daily lives and in our professional career as soon as it hits the mainstream fully. So that's all for now. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. I'll reply you as soon as possible. Have a nice day and bye.